Yo, what's up? Where we are?
Coffee close. You just come to Warsaw, just wanna have a coffee, kayaknya.
Yeah, and then go home. But it's nice. Ooh. And the views are nice.
And we are in the panorama sky bar. And I think that this one is the tallest sky bar in Warsaw. I'll show you why it is so becoming so high here in Warsaw. Kochanie. Cheers. And this is the view behind me. And you can see all the building. That's the Złote Tarasy Mall. And that's down there is the view of the traffic. Like this. Yes. Yeah.
So basically we have a coffee break. What do you have, Sam?
Pomelo. Maybe the on the top is the pomelo and this one is the coconut.
Nice. Smacznego.
Nice. And I think that in the panorama sky bar here they are specialized in the Asian cuisine. So if you miss your Asian cuisine, I highly recommend it to come. This is actually the Palazzo Culture. Palazzo Culture, okay. And the skyscraper surrounding. So it's actually the mix of the old building and also the brand new one. So that's the Złote Tarasy Mall. And yeah, mostly this is how the traffic situation look like during the rush hours. Interesting. Tak, kochani.
And this is the other side, actually. There is the stadium and the Wisła River and the bridges and the palace. Saying we actually sit on the better side. Just realized, no?
And here is, that's the outside. I mean like when you enter Takohanye. And this is another view. Look from the top. Like this. Tak. Yes. Like really mix of the old building and also the brand new modern style. Tak, kochanie?
Prawda. But considering as Warsaw was totally destroyed during the war, this is actually really impressive how the Warsaw look like now. I'm really proud of it as Polish. This Warsaw have a nice city. Poland have a nice city. Warsaw is nice capital actually. Yeah, but Warsaw actually was even more prettier and more beautiful before the war. But that's only memory for some people and some old pictures. Young, let's go. I know you feel comfy here. You miss hotels, huh? Let's go.
And this is actually the entrance to go to Panorama Sky Bar, and highly recommend it. This is not paid endorsement from them, but I think this is the best spot to see how is the Warsaw look like in 360 feet.
Let's go.
And this is the hotel lobby looks like. I really like the flower color. Coba yes, flower kayaknya. Spring lah, series trees. And this is the lobby. Looks so fancy.
Co to jest, sayang?
This is the smell of the capital city, the wind, the traffic, the rat race, life, fast life. And what I can say that the traffic gonna start soon, kochanie. Let's record something szybko, tak?
Tak, szybko idziemy. And this is the Pałac Kultury, this is the dworzec główny. That's the hotels and everything. Starbucks. So it was nice actually on the top.
This really highly recommended.
You've been in this hotel.
Tak. And here you can see that how is the life. I think that this is the central business district in Warsaw, right?
That's the thing.
Yeah.
Let's go. Let's have a stroll little bit around. So there are some buskers there, as you can see, they playing. That's the Pałac Kultury, and that's the Hard Rock Cafe in the Warsaw, Złote Tarasy, which is the most fancy mall here, or at least the most legendary one. What do you think? Big city life. Big city life. You look so cute, your winter outfit, by the way, so Zimno idziemy, okej, dobra. So yeah, let's go. Tak?
This is just like, you know, you're coming from Poznan
and then you're coming to Warsaw just to enjoy the modern city, the big five city. But the traffic jam, I don't know. I don't want to live here, Kanye.
Yeah.
But visiting one day to enjoy the big city life is okay. But living maybe better in Poznan.
Dobra. Okay. So we park in the Złote Tarasy Mall. As you can see, that looks like this one. Pretty nice in general. Not bad, yeah? Not bad at all, not bad. Actually, the Złote Tarasy is nice mall, but we just seen many other malls in Southeast Asia, so it's just alright.
In short, many people, saying like Warsaw is the New York of Europe.
Warsaw is Warsaw.
Warsaw is Warsaw. But the thing is that yes, many modern buildings like Damian explained before, because Warsaw was destroyed during the World War II, right, Kohani?
Yeah, completely.
So that's why there are so many, new modern buildings. Yeah, we will stroll around to show you how Warsaw's look.
Capital city is capital city. It's 3 o'clock actually, so the slowly rush will start. However, it's not so crowded actually. I think Poznan is more crowded at this time. And they have already big billboards, as you can see, the big skyscrapers, stuff like this. So it's modern city with modern life. This is the old thing actually, but this is the characteristic thing.
Palace culture?
Yeah, Pałac Kultury. And yeah, this is how does it look like briefly, but this is just like a one spot. Warsaw is pretty big city, but we just came here for one day. Let's go.
Right, so this one is the Plac Culture and this one is the Central Central Business District, and the skyscrapers Intercontinental, Złote Tarasy Mall, and we were there. Presidential in the top 40th floor, right, Kohani?
On the top.
Right, so it was a Marriott hotel long time ago and changed into changed into what? President Warsaw Presidential.
Like a local brand.
Yes, and this is how it looks the rush hours in Warsaw. And I'll show you around how it is.
So this is the view of the Pałac Kultury. One more time. This one. There is Pole Dog, Winnie said. So funny actually, Pole Dog. Some kebab, some stuff. We just stroll around, eh?
Let's enjoy the capital city for one day.
One day trip. Actually on the other side of this thing, and we just realized there are old buses actually here. Or bis. Like very old buses. I don't know what they are doing here. There's some construction ongoing, of course. There's some other mall here actually.
And so many development here. Like
That's for sure.
when I see from the top, I see like the land, something like they destroy it and they rebuild something. I don't know, but I see, and there are so many developing things here.
So we are walking at the front of the Pałac Kultury actually. There, little bit of history, what left. Actually, this is the gift after the war from the, anyways. And there is so much development, as Winnie said, like something is always building everywhere, right? Crazy. So we actually decided to take a shortcut through the construction yard at the front of literally Pałac Kultury, as you can see. It's a pretty big building though. Like I said, something is building everywhere, right? But that's how does it look. Pałac Kultury for everyone who didn't have opportunity to come to Warsaw. Yep, characteristic spot.
Hey, do you wanna be the crane operator again?
Yeah, well, let's go. Warsaw. And inside of the Pałac Kultury is like this one. Feels a little bit like a dworzec in Milano when we were a month ago. Okay, let's go out. There are coffee shops here. So we have a little bit of more of CBD, which is Central Business District. Well, I don't know actually if it's called Central Business District really. However, from my experience, I like to call it like this one. And Intercontinental is here. There are some other hotels and stuff. and just exploring somewhere. I don't know where we're going. Lost in
Just
Warsaw.
simply taking a round of the Plac Culture. Plac
Tak,
Culture, what?
tak.
Palace Culture, whatever. Yeah, it is.
Whatever it is.
I'm so sorry. You know, if I make a mistake. Oh, Plac Culture.
Tak, tak, tak. This thing. Characteristic in Warsaw.
We just take a round.
Yeah. Okay. And of course in Warsaw, everywhere you're gonna go, there will be so many monuments. Historical one. Yeah, the view. Last more time I showing you Pałac Kultury, I have to.
And then the fountain.
Which unfortunately closed.
But I think that during summer will be much more beautiful. Like,
Like everywhere in Europe actually, you know.
yes, let's go there.
Let's have a look what is there actually. Yes, Saya, what happened?
Maybe you put a camera over there a little bit. This looks like a nice view.
Oh yeah, it's like a nice city. You can hear that. What's going on? We going?
Let's go.
Let's go. Śródmieście Północ, Plac Grzybowski. This is where we are. If you're from Warsaw, you know. If you're not from Warsaw, you don't know. Neither way, that's some nice buildings actually. Big city life, Saya. Ale quiet kind of.
I can say soulless.
Little bit soulless, that's true. Unfortunately.
Like, you know, we were in Zapka here, right? When in Poznan, wherever we come in, Dzień dobry, and we go. Biasanya dziękuję here. Okay, katong gotówką, go.
Thanks.
And out, you don't feel like so.
Not shit given. Okay. Ale babcia here from Warsaw, enjoying their stroll. Okay, let's go. Let's have a look what's cracking around more. And there is some church. And the building. Nice. Somebody drive Lamborghini Urus here, but you are in capital, so expectable. And yeah, HDB looks little alright actually. Some nice buildings, fancy, innovative. Well, that's how it's supposed to be. This is what you expect actually. But the contrast with the old building next to it actually. Right? The old blocks and the new, just from the across the street.
So I can see that we've been to Praga, Budapest, Berlin. Where is next?
Vienna, Bratislava,
Bratislava,
Budapest, Berlin, Milano.
So any other capital city, right?
Right.
In Europe, Kahani. So what I can say that Warsaw, they have many modern buildings like this one.
That's true actually, that's true. It's the most modern regarding the architecture actually. Many new buildings, but there is not many old because they were destroyed. So maybe that's why. So it's like, you know.
Many people said that the Warsaw is the developing city in Europe, like growing economy. In terms of economy, they are the growing one, right?
Right.
They said.
And that's maybe true actually. So I want to tell you one thing. This is like a very fancy building of PKO Bank Polski, which is a very nice skyscraper, right? And then you have another one, like this one and this one. Then you have a like old something building with the apartments or school. Then you have another one, this futuristic building. Then you have this one. But then you have a like this one and like this one, which is like abandoned, could say from the 80s or something era. Sad looking building.
But
Kind of strange, no?
I know, but one thing is Warsaw is really much developing, right?
Yeah, it's
You
changing.
compare when the time you left Poland.
Oh my god, it was totally
you have to
different.
be grateful that how Poland.
But I
became
also
independent.
pretty sure it's similar in Malaysia actually, saying in Kuala Lumpur, as they also building this thingy like this one and this one, but earlier or later this one probably will be destroyed and they're gonna build another high building here.
Waiting for the big investment.
That's the thing. Let's buy this one and let's build 50-story building here of the monkeys lah. And let's put the office on the top lah. And coffee shop on the bottom with massage and everything, huh? Let's go. But realistically speaking, no, Warsaw and Poland in general changed a lot, really a lot since I was leaving. Actually, since I was like, you know, in 2011 I left Poland and then come back last year. So
That's why you come back.
yeah, most of these buildings are actually brand new and it wasn't exist when I was here like living before, you know, during the school era. So
And look at the people who work inside the box over there.
Corporate. This is the bank.
Corporate workers.
This is the biggest bank in Poland. And we're filming down there and they're still working there. This is the flex in life, huh?
You choose to be a corporate worker or be entrepreneur.
Entrepreneur.
And then there kohanya people on the gym again in the box.
And I'm on the down, just throwing around after coffee. Okay, let's go. Before there's somebody gonna get pissed what I'm doing. Well, you can choose to be a YouTuber, perhaps, or entrepreneur, or you can, but they have a paid holiday, and they can go to hospital to the doctor when they feel bad, and they can get the L4, you know, like a sick leave, and get 80% of salary. When you're an entrepreneur, you're not gonna get anything if you're sick.
I will just believe in working hard.
Matter of choice. Life is simple. You make a decision and never look back, right? So we are at the front of this stuff. This is the Rondo ONZ. So many nice buildings, and this is actually entrance to the metro. Sayang, you know, as the Warsaw is only one city in Poland who have a metro.
Let's see how is the metro system.
Let's get inside. Let's have a look, huh? Yeah, that's a good idea. This is actually one of the biggest roundabouts in Warsaw, and it's getting a little bit of jam. I mean, little bit. It's not that bad actually. A little bit of traffic congestion. And this is the famous on Instagram and everywhere, yeah? The spot.
The traffic in the capital city life.
Normal. Okay, let's get inside. Metro ONZ roundabout. Babe, we have to walk down. Stairs going only up. This is forcing you to gym every day, huh?
Oh, let's see how clean it is in the metro.
Entrance looks clean though. We are inside of the metro system. There is some tunnels connecting the lines or something. I mean, there is only one or two lines though, but it looks clean, no?
Clean and smell good.
So good, but so it's actually clean. Sayang, can you hear the sound of Safani Topai?
Yes.
Of the metro, like in Singapore, no? But that's the platform actually. We are not going anywhere, but that's the platform, and this. But it's not so busy at 3:30.
No.
Monday?
No.
Quiet though. Yeah. Oh, here we go, and the train is coming. Looks nice, looks clean though. No? Yeah. Some people coming. Let's see. I will zoom a little bit to inside. How does it look like? It looks decent. Okay. Let's go. Yes, Sayang?
So I can see that this is capital city. The metro is clean, not smelly as bad.
Not vandalism. No police here, Sayang. No security officers.
Same.
Nobody is here actually. Let's go. Exploring Mall of CBD, Central Business District, Warsaw. Gdzie? Dobra, idziemy. Co? Co?
But UBS is, I think that in Singapore I used to work with the, you know, like kind of CSR when I used to live in Indonesia with UBS.
UBS.
Tak funded
prawda.
project. And the thing, zobacz.
Co?
That's the crane. Maybe you're gonna be a crane operator.
Crane operator? Yeah, I will come to Warsaw, become the crane operator on the, and I'm gonna build like a 140, 50 floor building, skyscraper, no?
This is the sound of the capital city.
Sounds of capital city, something is going on. Let's see. Actually, this is the biggest roundabout, Sayang, yeah? The police is going. Let's have a here little bit and the view of the life of the big city, Sayang.
There's the Westin Hotel, Bank Polski building.
Tak. That's the thing. And that's the life. Big city life, alright.
That's it.
Alright. This is what's going on. Actually. Speeding. Pawala. Big city life. Capital. And this is also Warsaw tram. Like this one, the colors of the Warsaw. Yeah, like this one. And the rush is started, Sayang. People over speeding, going, some are rushing everywhere around. Yeah, this is it. Regarding the crane operators, we joke obviously because once I got a silly idea to be there on the top. Ale they building really a lot.
Also, it's developing a lot.
They have a luka. They some nice pastry thingy, sayang. Look at this one, so cool.
Oh, nice pretzel.
So, where? Pretzel? I don't know, let's see, but something cool, huh? Yeah, what you got?
This one, Damian bought me this one. Look how it.
I bought this one from the promo, 9.50 for a sweet and sour. Actually,
Let's go.
let's go. Now you'll eat later in the car on the way home, huh?
Oh,
Oh, look good. Babe, and in Warsaw for 9.50.
nice.
So we are back to the mall, to the Złote Tarasy. This is like a kind of food court where some nice restaurants and stuff like this one. And this is actually the roof, the entrance, the lobby. Some green stuff. Almost like back in Asia, huh?
Nice. Right, so I think that's all our video today from Warsaw.
Yeah, from the Warsaw city. This is the last shop closing. It's nice, ale we still prefer Poznań, right? Ale it's good to be in the big city once in a while. Next time we're going somewhere else.
Thanks for watching and see you next time.
See ya, take care.